In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to associate animals with their specific neckbands on the Gallagher eShepherd dashboard. I'm Sarah with Okanagan Ranch and Fence Supplies, and if you're looking for virtual neckbands, we'd love to help you out. So on the screen here, you can see that these animals do not have their neckbands associated because they are represented by green triangles. On the top here are a number of icons, and if you want to know what they mean, we have another video about that. But for the purposes of today, we're going to click on the Animal tab. You can see here that there's 0 animals because they have not been associated yet. If we click on the plus icon, you can see Bulk Create Download File. Once you do that, it's going to get you a file that you are going to download and use with you out in the field. This is specific to every client, and so it has their specific neckband numbers written here. The Excel template is auto set to no action, so you need to change it to create, and then you can enter either the EID or the VID, and the VID is the number from your ear tag, or if you have another way of signifying which animals are which, you could enter them in there. All these items here are optional, and you don't have to enter EID and VID, you just have to enter one of them. Very critical, if you do not change this to create, it will do nothing at all. So you need to change all of these to create. You're then going to save it in somewhere you know where it's kept. Then you go back into the dashboard, and now you're going to click Bulk Create Upload File. Then you're going to browse your computer and find where you saved that Excel file and then upload it into here. And then that will have all your animals associated. You could also do it one by one and just create a single neckband at a time, so it gives you again the list of them. But if you have a number of animals to do, that's a little bit time consuming, so it'll be faster to use the Excel sheet. Once you've done that, it takes effect right away for your animals to be associated with the individual neckbands. It's important that if you don't signify them by their ear tag number, you choose some other way so you know which cow is associated with which neckband. I hope that was helpful, and if you're looking for a place to buy your virtual fencing, contact Okanagan Ranch and Fence Supplies. Thanks for watching.